Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Tafida, well Dr. Tafida. I'm a doctor in Dhaka Medical. So today I have an important news for everyone. It's like I was in a holiday, then I got an emergency phone. Then I heard that there was a man who fainted on the road in the middle of the street. He was like fine, he was walking really joyfully, but suddenly he fainted. So I rushed to the hospital, and after examining his body, or after researching his body, we came to an end, and we saw that he got fainted due to pressure, he is a really hardworking man. That's why he fainted due to over pressure. And after searching his bag, we didn't find any phone or any wallet. We just found a diary and a pen. So I researched the diary, I went through some pages, and then I saw that he is a pre-planner. He likes to plan everything, he likes to do to-do list, and he really likes to plan for the future, or if he's going to any different places, like if he is going to any traveling or any program, he always make a list, or when he will wake up, when he will have his breakfast, and this kind of things. So I went to his pages and I saw that on 1st February he is going to Gazipur, and on 2nd February he is coming back to Dhaka. After that I saw that on 15th February he is going to Chattogram with his family. He is a really jolly man. That's why he always likes traveling, and that's a really good sign of him. And so in 15th February he is going to Chattogram. Actually the purpose of going to Chattogram is there is a program at his university, Chattogram University, and the program is on 16 and 17. Okay, 16 and 17, but he is going to Chattogram from 15th February to 19th February. So he is also going to Potanga Sea Beach, as well as he is going to many famous places in Chattogram. So after that I went to more pages and I saw that he is a teacher. His name is MD Liakat, and he is a really good teacher. He has an institution, and which name is Liakat, and he is planning for a study tour which is gonna held on 23 February. And in the study tour he has a plan of he has a lot of kids, he has thousands of students in there, and in the study tour he has a plan to make a song, like he will record a song. He even wrote that how many times first of all he will teach the students the song, which is We Shall Overcome, and then he will rehearsal it again and again. After that he will make the final video, and so that he can post in his YouTube and his Facebook. So then I went to more pages and it was the end. So he is under my treatment, and I hope he will get well soon, and I really wish him luck. And after he gets well, and I know my English isn't that good, that's why I will go to him, and I will get admitted to his institution. I will talk to him, and then I will get admitted to his institution, so that I can learn speaking English. So that's it for today. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye.